Hello friends, this video is a tribute to a great soldier, General Vipin Rawat, a true patriot who will really be missed. With a heavy heart, I make this tribute video and pay my respects to all who died in this crash. On Wednesday, December 8, India lost one of its most decorated officers, Chief of Defence Staff, General Vipin Rawat, in an IF chopper crash near Kunnur, Tamil Nadu. General Vipin Rawat's wife, Madhulika Rawat, and 11 other military personnel also passed away in this tragic crash. General Vipin Rawat, who took over as Indian Chief of Defence Staff in December 2019, was a dynamic leader with a legacy that will carry on for generations. An inspiration to all, the Param Vishisht Seva Medal and Uttam Yudh Seva Medal recipient will remain eternally etched in the nation's memory. General Vipin Rawat was an outstanding soldier, a true patriot, who greatly contributed to modernizing our armed forces. He comes from a family that had served in the Indian Army for multiple generations. The ethos of the Indian Army was known for his powerful speeches. उसकी आवाज़ में जो दम था, उसके शब्दों में जो ताकत थी, वो हमारे जवानों में एक नया जोश भर देते थे। उनकी कुछ कोट्स हैं, जंग का एक ही उसूल है, वो है जीत। May I assume you that we shall accomplish the same at all costs. Vipin Rawat famously added, ethos gives us an institutional conscience, a distinctive character, and above all, a unique identity. Therefore, there are times when we have to be different from people because we are expected to behave differently. ये उनके वर्डिंग्स थे, जो आज भी हमारे सोल्जर्स के माइंड में, उनके दिलों में धड़कते हैं, जो उनके अंदर एक नया जोश भर देते हैं. He was once quoted the eternal wisdom of an Urdu couplet, खामोशी से बनाते रहो पहचान अपनी, खामोशी से बनाते रहो पहचान अपनी, हवाएं खुद तुम्हारा तराना गाएंगी. Adversaries must be afraid of you, and at the same time, you people must be afraid of you. We are a friendly army, but when we are called to restore law and order, people have to be afraid of us. These and many more quotes and speeches by General Vipin Rawat that will inspire courage and strength for generations to come. Tribute continues to pain. Tribute contributes in pain for Chief of Defence Staff General Vipin Rawat and 12 others who perished in crash. The untimely death of General Vipin Rawat, ये जो लॉस हमारे इंडिया ने जो ये हीरा खोया है, इससे हमें एक बार याद आती है. एक सूरज था जो बुझा है, एक सूरज था वो जो बुझा है, आंखें हैरान है देख के जो उठा है, तारों की छाँव में जो चला गया आज, तारों की छाँव में जो चला गया आज, उसी ने हमें जीने का सलीका दिया है.